How to change your TikTok region. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can change your TikTok region. So guys, just for your information, just for you to know, the simplest step of doing this is to go ahead and just put a sim of the country you want to switch your TikTok account to. But if you don't want to do that, I'm going to be showing you a better way of doing that. So guys, the first step is for you to go to log out. So go ahead and log out. So if you have any TikTok account logged in on your account, just go ahead and log out. So as you can see, guys, I have logged out my account. So when you log out your account, go ahead and move it from your background. When you remove it, if it's possible, just go ahead and uninstall and install the app. So if you're an Android user, you can just go ahead and clear the data and just open your TikTok. So if you've done this step, I want you to go ahead and go to your app store. When you go to your app store, I want you to download this application called Winscribe. Now just stick with me, guys. I know most people will tell you VPN doesn't work, but I'm going to prove it to you that it was. So when you click on Winscribe VPN, this is absolutely free. So go ahead and install this Winscribe. When you install this Winscribe, the next thing I want you to do is when you install it, just go ahead and open the app Winscribe. So when you install the application, the next thing I want you to do is go ahead and disable your SIM card. So this is the most important step, guys. Go to your settings. When you open your settings, I want you to look for where it says cellular, or just disable your SIM card so you can follow any other step. So go ahead and just disable it. As you can see, guys, disable all your SIM card. So go ahead and do this. So as you can see, my SIM card is not showing here. So if I'm using an eSIM, if you're not using an eSIM, the easiest thing is just remove the SIM card from your phone. As you can see, guys, there is no SIM card on my phone currently. So I want you to go ahead and connect to a Wi-Fi device. So look for a Wi-Fi device, ask your friend to on hotspot for you or anyone. So when you connect to a Wi-Fi device, I don't have any Wi-Fi device here currently, guys. So I'm going to just describe to you how you're going to be doing this. So when you connect to your Wi-Fi device, when you go ahead and open your VPN, so make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi device. When you open your VPN, connect to the location you want to switch to. So connect to these are all free. So select the region you want to switch to and connect. So when you connect to the region you want to be switching to, the next step for you to do is go ahead and open your TikTok. When you open your TikTok, it's going to ask you to log in. So just go ahead and log in. I will advise you open a new account because TikTok is a bit smart on this, but you can go ahead and log in your own account. So when you open your new account, go ahead and click on where it says add account. Go ahead and create an account using the country details. You can just use an email to sign up. If you do this, guys, when you sign up, what I want you to do is to do a test run. So go to the feed for you page and scroll a bit. You're going to be seeing videos of people in that country that you switch to. If you can't see videos of people when you switch to your home page and you can't see videos of people in that region, then this is not working. You can go ahead and redo it again, but make sure you are not having a SIM card. So you can go ahead and pop off and remove your SIM card or just turn it off. For iPhone or Android users, connect to a VPN and then do this following step, and I show you guys it's going to work. So if this step actually work for you, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. See you on the next one.